As soon as I unboxed it, I knew this wasn't a regular windshield. The clarity, the size, the curve, everything screams premium. When you hold it, you instantly understand the quality of ERMAX deliver. I decided to install it myself right here in my parking. No fancy tools, no workshop, just me, my simple toolkit and my TRK. And a simple job that felt surprisingly satisfying. Screw by screw, the old guard comes off and slowly the new beast begins to take shape. When I step back, I honestly shocked. The bike looks bigger, taller and more powerful. The front stance went from touring to fully blown ADV giant. The extended height completely changes the presence. Now the TRK doesn't just look big, it feels huge. This is the look the TRK always deserves.
We stand proud and chase. Aim high. Aim high. From every setback, we find strength to attack. Oh yeah. Rise up, rise up, rise up. We gonna climb up, up the top. Rise up, elevate and never stop.
And now it's time for a real test. With the ERMAX Windshield, the difference is instant. Wind blast drops significantly, chest pressure gone, helmet turbulence almost none. The airflow became cleaner, smoother and controlled. Whether it's traffic or the open highway, the bike remains planted. No vibrations, no rattling, just a calm bubble of air. For long rides, this changes everything. Looks 10 on 10. Performance clearly improved. Comfort way better than stock. For TRK riders, the ERMAX Extended Windshield isn't just an accessory. It's a real upgrade, guys. You will feel every single day. For me, this is simple. The simple change made the bike look bigger, ride smoother, and even it feel more special. We'll meet again on the next road. Another ride, another story. Until then, stay safe and keep riding. Goodbye.